Hi everybody! Today I want to unbox with you this brand new release by René of Paris from their Muse Collection. And this one is called Posh Wavez and it's in the new color Deep Plum Brown R. So excited about this one. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is the beautiful Smooth Waves, also by René of Paris from their Muse Collection, the other new release, in also the new color Bronzed Honey R. I have an unboxing and a review of this one as well on my channel. Just go and check it out if you're interested in this one. Beautiful piece. But today is about Posh Wavez. I haven't even peeked. I want to always do that with you. I haven't even looked at the color. But from what I've seen, it looks amazing. So, ooh, right up my street. This is gorgeous. You can see that plum color already coming through here. Oh, right. Securely packaged as we are used to in a net, sitting on tissue paper. And then you can see these kind of, they're almost like barely there waves, so very boho looking. I think slightly a longer version of this one, really. Let's look at the cup construction. It's the same cup construction as Soft Waves. So it has this extra large center mono part, or if you want to call it a mini mono top. Because look how much space there is. So you can have definitely your middle parting, but you can have it slightly off center, but you can, I think, have a proper left and right part as well. You have an extended lace front. You have open wefts sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them. And there is quite a lot of stretch in this cap. And it does have a fringe, and we will see if it's long enough to have it side swept. So it's similar to this, so you could have it across if you wanted to, but you would have to kind of cut it, only if it annoys you having it in your eyes. But if it's not, then you don't have to cut it. But let's look at Posh Wavez again. Look how pretty. Stay till the end where I will show you this color outside in the natural light as well, so you get hopefully a really good idea of what this color looks like. I love this kind of boho look. Right, let me stop talking and let me take this one off. Let me just run my hands through it. So all I want to do is just move the fibers away from the cap, just so they move a little bit more naturally. Right, let's pop it on. I've been so excited ever since I saw the pictures when they said this is coming out soon. I was like, oh my goodness, yes, I can't wait. So here it is. Right, let me just, first things always first, get the position right. I follow the 4-finger rule. So from the bridge of my nose, this is where, 4 fingers up, this is where the hairline should sit, and that's about right. Oh yes. Wow, let me try and get rid of these. Oh. Wow. This is beautiful. Right, let me not play with it too much. I want to show it to you straight out of the box. I love this kind of boho look. These barely there waves. So let me just comb through this slightly. These fibers, these are heat-friendly fibers. They feel incredibly soft. Wow, they're like butter. This glides through so nicely. So I just want to show you what it looks like when you comb it through on one side. I use a white tooth comb not a brush or anything. So just so you get an idea, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, right, let me show you the lace front, because this is a dark color and I just want to see how they managed with that darker color. There are some knots here, but overall this is quite natural looking. If you look there, for a dark color, this is really good. Let's look at the part. So I haven't even taken it out properly. Let me do that now. And that part looks good, I think. So as you can see, this is slightly off center. Let's see how far we can go to the side here. Yeah. So that's, I think, the furthest you can go. So that's a side part, in my opinion. So yeah, that is absolutely manageable. I quite like a slightly off center, so let me just do that quickly. So I think that is just amazing. So I think just to open it up a little bit, it just wants to jump back a little bit. I would just need some water and then just let it dry. Clip it back like so, let it dry. Or if that doesn't work, you just use a little bit of heat, clip it back, let it cool. It's really important to let it cool, because only then it reaches that desired effect. So you have a fringe, really feathery fringe. I wouldn't need to trim it. So, but I do have quite a large forehead. So if you have a smaller forehead than mine, you probably would. But this is what it would look like if you wanted the fringe like so. So cute. I'm not the biggest fringe fan on me, so I like when they're a little bit longer, so you can pull them to the side like so. So in terms of Permatease, there's nothing really I can feel. There is something up here which it feels a little bit pillowy, but I don't think that's Permatease. I think that's the cap. It's just where the center mono part finishes and then the cap starts. In there, if it is Permatease, it's again just minimal and it just gives you a little bit of shape, but it's really not big and poofy. Otherwise, there is Permatease around the open wefts, which we will always have, because they just help to disguise the wefts in case the wind goes, etc. And in terms of density, now we have a look when I put it in a ponytail, because that gives us always a really good indication of how much hair there is. I do think this is, I would say that's higher end of lower end of medium. I think that's what I would say the density is. So it isn't low density, but I wouldn't also not expect that when you have a slightly wavy style anyway, because waves always add to the feel of volume. That's why we want sometimes waves, because we want that volume, right? It's just beautiful. Oh, this is a stunning piece, absolutely stunning piece. Anyway, fit. Now, straight out the box, it actually fits me really well. But I have hair and I have a wig grip on, so I think my circumference is probably more around the 21.75-ish now, rather than the 21.5 that I used to have. So, and there is capping still here at the back. I do think this is an average sized cap. I think it would fit you if you're 22 inch and above. But always please check that with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. I have room to tighten it a lot still and a little bit of room to widen it. I like my wigs quite loose on me, so I would probably widen this a little bit more. But if you have a smaller circumference than mine, I think if you are a petite, like a very small petite, you will have a lot of gapping here. But if you are, I think, a petite average, you will not have a problem, because as I said, there is a lot of room to tighten it still. You just will have a lot of gapping here in the back. So, but I think it would fit you. But again, please check that with Aderans Trendco. These fibers, heat-friendly fibers, so you can change the curl wave pattern if you wanted to. You can straighten it, etc. And these feel incredibly soft. They are like butter. So they are beautiful. Absolutely. Yeah, they feel really nice. I do think they are slightly different to the previous Muse Collection ones, but that might just be my feeling, but I don't know if that's true or not. So if, by all means, comment down below if you have the previous ones and already got the new ones as well. Tell me if you experience the same, if you think actually these feel much softer, or if it's just they're okay. That's all in your head. Let me know. Always interesting to know. So there's a lot here in terms of styling you can do. As I said, you can have a slightly different look by just getting that fringe down. This is very French looking all of a sudden, rather than bohemian, I think. So that's an option. You can have in half up, half down. And as I said, stay till the end where I show you this beautiful color outside. Don't want to miss that. Half up, half down. Very cute look. Long enough for a pony, definitely. Long enough for a side pony. Long enough for 2 bunches. And you can tuck it. One side. It's always my preferred way of wearing wig, is tuck it on one side. But you can tuck it on both sides if you wanted to. So tell me what you think of this new release by René of Paris from the Muse Collection. It's available from Aderans Trendco. I will put the link down below, and if you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off site-wide. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.